Welcome back, my dear students. So, we have almost completed this chapter. I hope you have enjoyed it and revised it. Okay, this was interesting chapter now to know about our Mother Earth. So, today, what we'll do, we'll quickly revise what we have done and then we'll move towards the exercises. So, please keep your books and pencils in your hand. You'll mark it here and here only, whatever the answers are, right? So the new words which we learnt in this chapter are rotation, movement of earth on its axis. Remember, आप अपनी जगह पे खड़े होके ऊपर देख के उसी जगह पर घूम रहे हो. Revolution, movement of earth around sun. Remember that temple example I have given you. Okay, so these two definitions I hope अब तक आपको याद ही होंगी. You have also done it as your homework. You have written it 2-3 times, right? Now leap year. What is leap year? Normally the year has 365 days. After every 4 years we add one more day in February. That is only leap year. So what's the definition? An year of 366 days. Normally years have 365 days. But 4 साल में एक बार हम फेब में 29 days डाल देते हैं कैलेंडर में to adjust our left out 6 hours. You all have studied it now. For now here you have to remember the definition. Leap year is a year of 366 days with February having 29 days, right? यहाँ लीप ईयर में ऑलवेज राइट 366 डेज क्योंकि नॉर्मली ईयर में 365 डेज होते हैं बट लीप ईयर में एक एक्स्ट्रा डे ऐड होता है ओके आफ्टर एवरी 4 years. What is orbit of Earth? You remember that diagram जहाँ पे सन और बहुत सारे planets I have shown you. So that's ताकि planets की टक्कर ना हो, every planets follow their own path. That path is only orbit. So the definition is definite path on which Earth moves around the sun. Right? Learn the spellings also. Okay? Sometimes students lose marks in spellings. So you should learn the spellings also. That's why we say keep writing and keep learning. Okay? When you learn the chapter, tell your mothers to test you. Okay, write the same answers again so that your spelling mistakes from this age only are removed. जो भी नहीं करते ना फिर वो बड़े होके भी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स करते हैं. सो दिस इज द राइट एज यू शुड लर्न स्पेलिंग्स ऑल्सो राइट. बहुत सी स्पेलिंग्स हैं रोटेशन रिवॉल्यूशन डेफिनेट फेब्रवरी. सो दीज स्पेलिंग्स ऑल्सो यू शुड राइट करेक्टली. क्विक रिव्यू ऑफ द चैप्टर. Earth spins on its axis as well as revolves around the sun. So this now everyone knows, right? The Earth completes its rotation in 24 hours, okay, and revolution in 365 days and 6 hours. The axis of Earth is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree from perpendicular and 66.5 degree from x-axis, that is plane of Earth's orbit, that is जहाँ आपने imaginary line equator मार्क की थी. So these were the basic concepts. आपने अच्छे से पढ़े हैं, पैराग्राफ्स में डायग्राम्स देखे हैं. So now these figures and everything you should remember. Okay? Still, if you don't remember, revise it in the morning. You'll be able to remember forever, right? So it was an interesting chapter. Now please sit straight with your books and pencils in hand. You tell me the answer now. Okay, we have done this chapter very nicely, okay, and efficiently. You all were also concentrated, you were doing your homeworks and you have understood the chapter. So now you will tell me the answers. Telepathy से I can say no, I can guess if you are सही बता रहे हो आप या नहीं, ये मैं guess कर सकती हूँ. First question, axis of Earth is tilted at an angle of right 23.5 degrees. Okay, हम y एक्सिस से दैट इज परपेंडिकुलर से मेजर करें यहाँ से तो ये जो एंगल है 23.5 degrees है. You all now know this very nicely. Please tick mark in your books now. Okay, now itself. Else अब बाद में करने की कोशिश करेंगे एग्जाम्स में. Then you will keep thinking what are the answers. Please bring your books, those who are still not having their books in hands. Okay, then you see and mark it here itself. Days and nights are caused by, आपको याद है हमने लाइट्स बंद करके सीखा था ये तो. So everyone must be answering correctly. Rotation. अर्थ रोटेट कर रही है, सन अपनी जगह पर है. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, नंबर ऑफ डेज इन February in leap year is, everyone knows, 29. Good. 21st March and 23rd September are called equinoxes. Good. एक था spring, एक था autumn. We have done this, है ना, जब हमने एक एक पोजीशन को उठा के सीजन्स पढ़े थे. That time we have seen it. So equinoxes is the correct answer. Those who have still not marked, mark it, pause the video, mark it. Then move to the next question. Second part is fill in the blanks. Earth completes one revolution in 365 days and 6 hours. Always write 6 hours also. Okay? क्योंकि यही बाद में adjust होके leap year में एक day add करते हैं. Right? Write it down now itself. On 21st June, dash pole is tilted towards sun. You tell me the answer. Right, North Pole. We have seen this जब हमने एक एक पोजीशन पढ़ी थी. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, जिसने ऊपर वाले का आंसर दे दिया, he will be able to give the answer of third question also, because both are same. Now I've given you so many hints. On dash, the rays of sun falls vertically at Tropic of Cancer. कौन सी डेट आएगी यहाँ? Right, 21st June. Okay. Fourth question. Northern hemisphere has dash day and dash night. So the answer is long day, long night. In bracket you can write हर 6 महीने में ये बदलता है. Okay, so in bracket you can write 6 months. Okay, for 6 months it will have long day, for 6 months it will have long night. Same is the case for southern hemisphere. You remember that diagram also. Please remember that diagram by heart. Right? Now come to true and false. है ना, ये तो बहुत बच्चों का फेवरेट क्वेश्चन होता है, ज़्यादा लिखना नहीं पड़ता. राइट? सो द अर्थ स्पिन्स ऑन इट्स एक्सिस एज वेल एज रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द सन. पूरा चैप्टर ही इसी पे था. राइट? ट्रू. अ लीप ईयर कम्स आफ्टर एवरी 4 years. अगेन ट्रू. हाउ यू कैलकुलेट? ईयर को आप 4 से डिवाइड कर दो. रिमाइंडर इफ इट कम्स 0 देन इट्स अ लीप ईयर. जैसे 2020 ईयर चल रहा है, 4 से पूरा डिवाइड हो रहा है, इट्स अ लीप ईयर. ओके, यू ऑल लर्न दिस थिंग्स इन मैथ्स. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, द अर्थ कंप्लीट्स वन रिवॉल्यूशन इन एग्जैक्टली 365 days. जो भी ट्रू बोल रहा है ना, उसकी भी पिटाई होगी. प्लस 6 hours. आई हैव ऑलवेज टोल्ड यू, डोंट फॉरगेट राइटिंग 6 hours. So not exactly 365 days. Okay, it's false. It also takes 6 additional hours for Earth to come back to that original position, right? It takes 365 days and 6 hours. Now come to fourth question. On 21st March, both North Pole and South Pole are neither inclined towards sun nor they are away from it. Right, true. We have seen this, we have studied this. The rays of sun falls vertically on equator. Vertically मतलब सीधी सीधी. Always it's the case. Okay, equator पे तो sun rays आएंगी ही. So this is true again. Please write it down here only. Okay, don't wait for exam times. Otherwise you'll not find the answers that time. Please write it in your books. Okay, pause the video, write it. Now see the last question in your books. You can see diagram. Diagram का question है, on a chart paper draw the diagram to show how changes in position of earth bring changes in seasons. Okay, so this diagram you have to draw. This diagram is given in your books, page number 92. You can mark it. We have studied this diagram also. Again and again it keeps on coming, right? और अगर आपको और नीटली डायग्राम देखना है तो मैंने एक स्लाइड डाली थी. आई हैव टोल्ड यू टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट. यू कैन ड्रॉ दैट ऑल्सो. बोथ आर सेम ओनली. ओके, पेज नंबर 92 पे आप मार्क कर लें और टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट एंड यू कैन ड्रॉ इट. सो डायग्राम क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो वी हैव डन. Rest of the answers you will get it by PDF. So please learn it, write it and learn it. Okay, don't do spelling mistakes or silly mistakes because chapter तो सबको अच्छे से समझ आ ही गया होगा, right? So please keep learning in morning. So this was all the chapter was all about. That's all. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Keep revising. Thank you.